What's going on, guys? How are we all doing? Another video. As you can see behind me, there's Kurt, but also it's a Hellfire Club. The views are not too bad from up here, I'm not gonna lie to you. Actually, it's a pretty famous location, made even more famous by ghost adventures, etc. I'll be honest, it doesn't do a whole lot for me. But yeah, nonetheless, let's just take you on a little walk through it. It's basically ruins, empty shell, but I do believe you can get upstairs inside it. For that we will show you. Let's go and take a look at this. Someone's been sleeping rough in here, obviously. As you do. We'll take a little look upstairs. Fireplace at some point. I know it holds a lot of big significance in the paranormal world. As a paranormal investigator, I should be excited about it, but I'm literally just not for some reason. I think it's because down there are plenty of pubs with a nice pint of Guinness, and that's where I'd rather be than walking up the side of a mountain. There we go, that's an honest review. Let's go and do a little more stuff downstairs. Back on down where it started. Again, just rooms. Take for another look outside. If there's anything we missed the first time around. I am. You want a sticker? We're not sticking on the building because we're not them sorts of peoples. But we're going to leave it for someone to find. Yeah, and that's going to be basically generic. I know it's windy. GoPros don't do the best with wind. But that's the Hellfire Club. And that is Dublin. What do you think of our island? Let me know, because so far I'm kind of disappointed with it. It's alright, I guess, I suppose, but it's not what I was expecting.